Here I have Lexus NX spark plugs. Lexus recommends change them every 40,000 miles. I was wondering, why is that? Now I can see. Number 1 is in pretty good shape. Nice clean metal. But number 2 and number 4 have some dark matter on them. They're just dark. Number 4 is a little better, but still a little bit dark, but not too bad. But number 2 and number 3 are very dark. They also smell like some burn oil. I check wells in a head, and those wells look fine. But this should be a good lesson for any Lexus NX200t owner, that spark plugs indeed should be changed at 40,000 miles. They look like they operate in a hot environment. Usually spark plugs look like this after about 60,000 miles or so. This is it.